Hello you guys, got out the shower, but today I'm going to be showing you guys this hairstyle. Jasmine Brown did it and it was just amazing. I had to recreate it and you guys asked me for an in-depth tutorial, so here we are and let's get into it. I'm just brushing up my hair, nothing fun, but now we're gonna get into parting. I'm gonna go in and start parting my hair all the way down the middle, and it's a little bit off center, but I was still proud of myself for parting it without a mirror or anything. I've been doing good lately. Brushed through my hair, and then I started to part off the first section, which goes in front of your ear first, and then that is the first section you're going to tie off with your rubber band. I actually have a new pack of black rubber bands. Give me a round of applause. Thank you. All one color this time, guys. And then you're going to part off the second section behind your ear, and then from that section you're going to do, so it's like an angled triangle part. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys close up, but yeah, just do some parting there. And then I put it to the side so that it wouldn't get stuck in the rest of my bubble braids, and I just did bubble braids all the way down. And for this part I kind of just guesstimated where to start parting off these squares, and I did that in the first hairstyle as well, and it honestly just turned out really well for me. As long as the back looks straightly parted, it'll be fine and it'll look good. Just, you know, kind of space it out a little bit when you're parting it from the back. I will say I do not get tired of doing hairstyles, but because this hairstyle requires so much parting and like rubber bands, oh my gosh, I was just like sick of it before I was even finished. I will be completely honest with you guys, especially when you get to like this part, because my hair is thin already. So when I got to like doing the bubble braids on this little section, I was like, oh my gosh, like I want to be done. But I did it. I finished through. It's fine. We're moving on to the other side. And I just wish the process went as fast as this video is going, but unfortunately that is not the case. Also, when I am parting, I am also lining it up to this other side that I did, and that goes for the back as well, which I used my phone to look into my mirror to see exactly where the parting was, to line everything up and make sure it was perfect. And then here is when you start to pull the hair and create the bubble effect in your hair. I actually really love this part. For some reason it's like so satisfying to like pull my hair in this way. I don't know. I was laughing at the podcast that I was listening to. Really funny. Okay, and then for the smaller section, because I don't have a lot of hair, I pulled it, and then I also ended up scrunching it because that ended up helping me in the long run. Okay, so we are all done. As I was finishing up my makeup, this rubber band popped, which actually happened the first time that I did this hairstyle. The rubber bands popped because I tied them too tight. So I tried to do like 2 or 3 ties, and the rest of them seem to be holding up pretty well, better than they did the first time that I did this hairstyle. Sure you have enough rubber bands on like I did the first time. And yeah, don't tie them too tight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.